Join me as I dive deep into the question, will AI really overtake humans by 2030? I'm going to break down the facts and predictions to see where we really stand. Artificial intelligence has been evolving at an incredible pace, and it's hard not to wonder if we're on the cusp of a revolution that will change the world forever. From Siri to Alexa to self-driving cars and robots, AI is already an integral part of our daily lives. But as it continues to advance, we have to ask ourselves, are we getting close to a point where AI will surpass human capabilities? One of the biggest concerns surrounding AI is its potential to displace human workers. With machines learning to perform tasks more efficiently and accurately, it's only natural to worry about the impact on employment. Imagine a world where AI takes over not just blue-collar jobs but also white-collar ones, leaving humans without a sense of purpose. The ethical implications are daunting, and it's crucial we consider them as we move forward. Another challenge we face is ensuring AI aligns with human values. As machines become more autonomous, they'll need to make decisions that reflect our moral compass. But how do we program a machine to understand complex ethical dilemmas? It's a daunting task, and one that requires careful consideration. Furthermore, as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we'll need to confront the issue of bias. Machines learn from data, and if that data is biased, so will the AI. This could lead to a perpetuation of harmful stereotypes and discrimination. It's essential we address these concerns head-on to prevent a potential catastrophe. The advancement of AI also raises questions about accountability. If a self-driving car causes an accident, who's responsible? The manufacturer, the programmer, or the AI system itself? We need to establish clear guidelines for accountability to avoid confusion and potential harm. Many experts believe that AI has the potential to surpass human capabilities in the near future. Ray Kurzweil, a renowned futurist, claims that we'll reach a point of singularity by 2045 where AI will become exponentially more intelligent than humans. Others, like Elon Musk, are more cautious, warning of the dangers of uncontrolled AI. Whatever the case, it's clear that AI is rapidly advancing, and we're not far from reaching a tipping point. In the next decade, we can expect AI to become even more integrated into our daily lives. From healthcare to education, AI will continue to drive innovation and improve efficiency. But as we approach 2030, the question remains, will AI overtake humans, or will we find a way to harness its power while maintaining control? One compelling argument is that AI is simply a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the humans who create and use it. While AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, it's still a reflection of human ingenuity and creativity. As long as we prioritize responsible development and deployment, AI can be a powerful ally rather than a threatening competitor. On the other hand, some argue that AI's rapid progress is undeniable, and it's only a matter of time before it surpasses human capabilities. With the rise of quantum computing and machine learning, AI is becoming increasingly sophisticated, and it's possible that we're underestimating its potential. Ultimately, the relationship between AI and humanity is complex and multifaceted. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it's essential we acknowledge both the benefits and the risks of AI and work towards a future where humans and machines coexist harmoniously. That's it for today's video, folks. Thanks for watching. What do you think? Will AI overtake humans by 2030, or will we find a way to harness its power? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the latest tech trends, be sure to check out my other videos.